Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Costumers for Christ and you're watching Creative Costuming. Today I'm going to show you how to make leather or vinyl cosplay gauntlets. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below and download the free printable PDF pattern that I've provided for you. Once you've printed that out, you're ready to get started. Once you've printed your pattern, you simply need to decide which size is best for you. For most women, I recommend a small. I myself wear a medium. I have 7-inch wrists in case you're interested. But if you have larger wrists or forearms, you might wear a large or extra large. Once you've decided on the size, you simply need to cut out the pattern. And you'll notice that it says along this edge, place this edge on fold of fabric. Like most patterns, I intended for this to be used by folding the fabric in half, laying the pattern on the edge, and then cutting around it. That way, when you unfold the fabric, you'll have a full gauntlet. However, in order to make things a little easier, I went ahead and printed 2 of these patterns and taped them together in the center. That way, I can simply unfold the fabric and trace the pattern onto it. You'll obviously need 2 of these, one for each arm. And as far as fabric goes, genuine leather would be wonderful. However, it's also very expensive. So I've found marine vinyl to be a much more affordable option that also comes in a whole variety of different colors. You can find marine vinyl on Joann Fabrics, as well as Amazon, and I'm sure a variety of other places as well. Once you have your pattern traced, all you have to do is cut the 2 pieces out and you're ready to start sewing. For this project, you'll need a 7-inch zipper. These are available at most craft stores as well as Walmart on occasion. You'll also need a zipper presser foot as well as the regular presser foot. To attach the zipper presser foot, you simply take the presser foot, place it underneath the presser, and then lower the presser down till it clicks. Then raise it back up and it should be attached. Now we're going to take our gauntlet pattern and we're going to lay the zipper face down on the gauntlet. Make sure that the stopper for the zipper is at the widest part of the gauntlet. Then simply place the zipper and the gauntlet underneath the presser foot so that the right edge lines up right on top of the interlocking part of the zipper. Then, with one finger on the thread, hold the reverse button in order to lock the thread in place, and then go forward. You're just using a simple straight stitch on this. Now, once you reach the bottom edge of the zipper, where the zipper pull is, you'll need to get that zipper pull out of the way. So, raise the needle, lift the presser foot, and then carefully unzip the zipper so that that zipper gets out of the way and you can continue stitching. Reposition it back where it came from, and then just keep going. Once you reach the end, remember to go in reverse in order to lock the stitch in place. Lift the presser foot, pull it out about 6 inches, and then snip the thread. Now, before we stitch the other side, we're going to do an extra stitch on this side in order to get that zipper to lay flat. Vinyl and leather has a tendency to get caught in the sewing machine and not slide through very smoothly. So I recommend using a little WD-40. Just spray some on the material and then use your thumb to make sure you get it right along where you're going to be stitching. Also for this, we're going to be using the regular presser foot instead. So take your regular presser foot, place it underneath the presser, and lower the presser till it clicks. Now you're going to take the zipper, which now looks like this, fold it in, and stitch right along the edge of it. Now you have a nice smooth finished edge for that side of your zipper. And we have to do the other side. To sew the other side of the zipper, you'll have to once again remove the regular presser foot and replace the zipper presser foot. Then you're going to take your gauntlet, fold it in half with the zipper again face down, lining up the edge of the zipper with the edge of the fabric. Place it underneath the presser foot and continue to stitch. Now, finishing this side of the zipper will be a little trickier. I recommend coming at it from two directions. So the first thing you want to do is unzip it and flip it right side out again. You also need to switch the zipper presser foot for the regular presser foot. And we're going to stitch the zipper in place on the bottom edge for as far as we can reach. Be careful to keep the vinyl out from underneath as you sew up this edge. You only need to go a few inches, and then you can pull it out, and we'll come at it from the other direction. Replace the gauntlet and stitch from the top down. Once you reach the stitch that you made from the bottom up, you can stop. Once your zipper is completely installed, all we have to do now is hem the edges. For this, we simply fold the edges down and stitch them in place. You'll have to continually adjust the fabric, rolling it forward as you stitch the hem down. Once you finish that hem, simply trim your loose threads and now hem the opposite side. Simply repeat this process for the other gauntlet and you're all finished. Well, I hope you're happy with the way that your gauntlets turned out and that they are just perfect for your next cosplay. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave those in the comments section and I'll get to them if I can. Also, click that subscribe button because we've got more tutorials coming in the near future. And if you haven't already, consider checking out my new book, The Holy Heroes Devotional. It's available on Amazon. And in the meantime, thanks for watching, God bless, and happy costuming.